Welcome to Luang Prabang in Laos.
Luang Prabang is an UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most culturally rich cities in Laos. Located in the northern part of the country, it sits at the confluence of the Nam Khan and the Mekong River.
Wow.
This episode we will explore temples, the night and the morning market in Luang Prabang, and we visit the adventurous Kuang Si Waterfall, a short ride outside from the city.
This is the way up, or? Keep quiet, be respectful, press slowly.
But the keep quiet one.
Okay, let's go. So this is the way up to the stupa on the top, and this is the way to Buddha's footprint. Where you want to go first?
I want to sit.
Each morning, hundreds of Buddhist monks walk through the streets to collect alms, a deeply spiritual experience.
We are on the way now to the night market here in Luang Prabang. When it start?
I guess it's 5:30.
5 or 5:30 p.m.
The night market offers a wide range of local food stores where visitors can try Lao dishes such as lap, sticky rice and papaya salad. Located along the main street, the market starts in the early evening and runs until around 10 p.m. The market is known for its wide variety of handmade goods, including Lao textiles and traditional clothes. The next day we decided to visit the Kuang Si Waterfall.
We're here now at the famous Kuang Si Waterfall in Luang Prabang. We drove with the scooter like 1 hour almost, or?
Yeah, almost.
You have to pay for the parking fee, 2,000 kip for the scooter. That's not that much, and you have to take a shuttle service or to the waterfall.
Yes, it's included in the ticket. The Kuang Si Waterfall ticket will cost 25,000 kip
25,000 per person?
per person.
Okay. For Lao people it's 15,000 and for foreigner it's 25.
I'm being foreigner even though I'm speaking Lao.
So here are the buggy cars, huh? They bring you to the waterfall. So we're in the buggy car now.
Yeah, and now we are going to the entrance of Kuang Si Waterfall. But we have to, either we can keep trekking through the forest or we can take a walk to the normal road.
We stop now here. It's a small market area, and from here you have to walk up to the waterfall. How far is it? What do you think?
I'm not sure, 10 minutes?
10 minutes, 15 minutes?
I guess.
Let's see. Sabaidi. Banana. A lot of fruits. Sabaidi. So here's the entrance to the Kuang Si Waterfall Park. There are two ways. This is the way to the main waterfall, and here's the walking trail. What do we try first?
Walking trail.
Okay, let's go. If you take the walking trail, it's also connected to the main waterfall, but maybe take a little bit longer. Huh?
Yeah, it didn't say how long though.
They also got a rescue station here for the bears.
Near the entrance to the waterfall, there's the Tat Kuang Si Bear Rescue Center. The center rescues and rehabilitates Asiatic black bears.
Got a lot of shirts and stuff you can buy to help the bears here.
Visitors can learn about the efforts to protect these endangered animals.
Yeah. Beer bought a bear bag, huh?
Yeah, it's like donation. You know, you donate 150,000 keep, and then you get either
Hmm.
bag or t-shirts.
It's cool.
Located about 29 kilometers south of the city, this multi-tiered waterfall is famous for its turquoise-colored pools and lush jungle surroundings. The falls are a popular destination for visitors seeking a combination of natural beauty, relaxation, and adventure.
Now we're almost at the main waterfall here.
Wow,
How is it?
it's so huge. Look, it's so tall.
Oh wow.
There are well-maintained paths and bridges that allow visitors to hike around the falls and explore the various levels. The largest drop is about 60 meters high. Overall, Kuang Si Waterfall is a breathtaking nature wonder and an essential part of any trip to Luang Prabang.
So now we're hiking up to the top of the waterfall. Bia, how is it? You love hiking, huh?
The hike to the top of the waterfall offers a rewarding view of the entire cascade.
20 meters. Sabadi, what do you have there? What is it? Oh, crab. Crab, big crab.
ปูเตี๋ยเอาได้จากนี่เตี๋ยแต่ใหญ่บ้างนะ
Very big crab.
จับซื่อๆนี่เตี๋ย
Look, you catch it with a
โอ้
chicken feed.
โอ้ใส่อันนี้เตี๋ยเรา
Wow, this look amazing.
What is this now?
Like a lagoon.
So we are about to take this rafting boat. I don't know what it's called. So with the uncle, it's only 10,000 kip per person. It's like 20 baht or something in Thai. So it will take 15 minutes. We will go to the sort of border up here. I'm asking Tisma how he bring this rafting boats up here. He said he's made it up here.
Have to turn left and right.
If it's raining, the water would be clear and then brew like it.
It's
So we
cappuccino
are lucky.
color.
Cappuccino color.
ถ่ายเชือกที่ผมไม้ทบครอกอยู่นี่
Oh, boy.
แล้วกวางเขาลอกโซนลงน้ำตกเขาอยู่ข้างล่างเนี่ยไปมันตัด
If you see the side out there, it's explained a bit. It's about the deer. The deer actually came to the water sort there, and the deer was like, crashing the stone, and then the stone is breaking, and then
Ah.
the water is coming out from there.
This
They
is-
call that one is holy water because
Ah.
you can't split, you can't pee, you can't take off your clothes or even jump in. No, but around this area near us, you can swim, but not over there at the holy water. And that's one, the circle one.
Yes.
I believe that is like the road to. There's some like foresty guy that he came. He tried to kill the deer with that rope.
Oh,
So yeah, that's a brief story.
On our way back to Luang Prabang, we got hungry and stopped by at this stunning location in the middle of the rice fields.
Sabadi. Wow, look cozy. The menu look interesting. So much and so much written. No photos. Food is here and this look like a art, huh? Maybe. I have fried chicken with garlic. You have something papaya salad. And this is what?
Chicken grill.
Chicken grill. And we also got some. Oh, I can't open it. Sticky rice. Found a chicken head there, baby. Do you eat that, oh? Chicken
No,
head.
I don't eat it.
I can see the eye.
This is actually called Tham Luang Prabang. So
It's with noodle. This papaya salad. So what is the difference to the normal somtam?
the papaya noodle is bigger than normal som
Yes.
tam. Look.
Rice Farm Cafe in Naksao is a charming and serene cafe located in the rural area outside of Luang Prabang. The cafe serves delicious food made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients, many of which are grown on the farm itself. It's an excellent stop for travelers looking to connect with the countryside and understand more about the traditional farming culture in Laos.
we are back now in Luang Prabang and we want to visit a temple here nearby. It's one of the oldest in the city, oh?
I don't know.
Here's the riverside. This is the Mekong River. And you also can go with the boat outside for a sunset tour. But we want to visit the temple now, huh?
Yeah.
So the temple is called Xieng Thong Temple, or?
Xieng Thong.
So the entrance fee is 20,000 kip by the...
Wat Xieng Thong is one of the most important and beautiful Buddhist temples in Luang Prabang. Built in 1560, it is considered a prime example of traditional Lao architecture. Visiting Wat Xieng Thong offers an opportunity to experience the peaceful charm of Luang Prabang.